Hello, humans. Welcome to the channel. So, this is a small intro to let you know that we are making some changes to the channel, some big changes. Lately, we have been busy with our personal life and stuff, so we were not so focused on the videos. Now, you are going to see the change. We are going to invest more time and efforts in the videos. We are going to rebrand and make the readings a bit more fun. So please leave your comments and let us know if you like the changes. And it's a little cliche, but thank you so much for all your love and support. It means a lot. You guys definitely deserve better videos, and we will try our best to bring you the best. Onwards to the video, humans.
Hello everyone. So today we are doing love reading for all the elements, right? That is air, fire, water and earth. So this particular reading is about the water element, right? So we'll be covering Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. And so let's see what I and Veronica have to say about this particular love reading. Let's find out. So in case you guys are wondering who Veronica is, you'll get to know soon, I guess. And so let's begin with the reading. We'll start with Cancerians. Here we go. Hi Cancerians. So you guys have this card as your overall energy, which is believe in the impossible, which shows me that something great, something good is headed your way. What you guys need to do, so what you guys are currently going through is this Six of Swords energy, which means you are bringing positive change into your life, and in case you haven't already experienced it, it is coming in the near future. Okay, so the problem in your love life mainly is that you guys have been waiting, hoping for things to just happen. You do realize, right, that you do need to go outside to meet someone. Yeah, so that's what your advice is. You guys need to put yourself out there into the world, maybe try dating apps, but it's when you go out, meet new people, socialize, that's when you will get. Now I understand that there is this corona thing going on, but you guys have other ways of socializing, right? There are so many social apps going on, and whenever this thing, cools down, take time to go out, right? So, Cancerians, चीजों से भागना बंद करें. Start facing your fears. Stop thinking negatively, because everything comes at a cost. This one will cost you heavy. Do not stop thinking.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
There are happy times coming forward, but you need to believe in it, right? So stop crying over the still doing. Afsos करना बंद करें। आगे लाइफ सुहानी है। थैंक यू।
Oh my God! Wow!
Hi Scorpios. So, for your overall energy, you guys have, you are good enough, right? So, clearly you guys are kind of being critical of yourself and you need to let go of that, right? You guys know, you are really good human beings deep down, and it doesn't matter what people say or how people behave. It's not your problem. So currently, I see what you guys are going through is some sort of review. Like you guys are probably thinking about your past and judging yourself and your experiences on basis of that. When actually this time has been given to you to show you that how far you have come, how much you have evolved, and what all lessons you have learned. Yes, you need to keep those lessons in you when you go into your future, when it comes to this, when it comes to your relationships. But that doesn't mean that you need to become overly critical and lose hope. So the problem that you guys have in the love department is this: you guys need to cut the ties from the past. Let the past be in the past. I am seeing that you are having trouble letting it go completely, accepting it, and starting a new journey, right? But this can happen only when you cut all your ties. You accept that things are over with XYZ. Whatever they did, it's okay. You learned the lesson. Now let's move on.
Hey, bro. I'm good.
Bro, you okay?
I'm good, bro. You geeking, bro. I'm good.
Bro.
Bro, get hold me. I'm good, bro.
Bro. Are you crying, bro?
No, bro. I'm good, bro. I swear to God.
So the advice for you is this only, that release it. Okay? Think about these things in a logical manner, where it has led you, but at the same time not to become too cold and not to end up creating these balls around yourself, because that is not really going to help you. But yes, you do need to be a little more logical when it comes to your connections. You need to be reasonable. You need to know that what requirements you have and proceed accordingly. For example, if you see certain red flags, maybe it's not such a good idea to continue with it, right? So make sure you are keeping all that into perspective. Scorpios, आप अपनी लाइफ के साथ क्या कर रहे हैं? You must get a grip on yourself. Things ended doesn't mean that things had to be like that for the rest of your life. Stop torturing yourself over the past. Release it. You need a new mindset. Yes, that's what I would have for you guys. You are the best. Hi Pisces. So, for your overall energy, we have look at the bigger picture and don't let the pride get in the way. So what I am feeling for this particular group is that you guys are probably thinking too much into the future because all your cards seem futuristic. It's a good thing, you should plan, but are you like overdoing it, and are you forgetting to stay in the present? Because what this is doing is keeping you stuck in this position. You do want stuff for yourself, you do want relationship for yourself, or you do want to have that romance in your life, clearly, because you're watching a pick a card, because clearly you're watching this video, so that makes sense, right? So but you guys are kind of split between probably your career and relationship. You do realize that you can just balance out both instead of choosing one of them. You need not do that, right?
Surprise, motherfucker.
And I get it, you want to look ahead and you want to plan your life, but more than anything, you need to give yourself time, right, to evolve. You need to be adaptable, okay? Plan things, but then don't try to plan everything, because oftentimes we notice things don't go as we plan, so we need to adjust. Now, overall advice is to have a little fun. I get it that there are a lot of responsibilities and you want to pay more emphasis on your career or whatever this other thing is. You guys are allowed to have a little bit fun. Put yourself out there, and if you guys are having trouble finding someone, ask your friends to introduce you to someone, right? So this is what your advice is. You guys need to let go of your need to control things, and you guys might need to put yourself out there, approach people instead of expecting everything to come to you, okay? So see ya guys, bye. So you guys want my expert advice on love? You guys, you have a lot of ego issues. इतना सोचने से कुछ नहीं होगा, छोड़ दीजिए. You need to let go of your past traumas. Stop bringing it into the next direction. ना सोचता फ्यूचर के बारे में सोच के प्रेजेंट भी खराब कर ली.
Hey guys, if you like the videos, please hit the like button. Please show your support by subscribing to the channel and sharing its content. And please don't forget to hit the bell icon for latest notifications. And as always, thank you all for all the support. Take care and bye.